Oh, yeah, get in there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's in now.
That's it.
I would like to share with you my most recent tuna fishing trip out of San Diego. It was quite an interesting experience. Please watch how it unfolds. Enjoy.
There we go.
Behind you guys.
Okay.
Well.
Coming up. I think I got a biter. That's just
Wine on the way down.
Uh-oh. Today is July 1st and my third trip. Yesterday the New reported, this morning the New reported limits of bluefin tuna and like 92 yellowtail out of like 25 people. So fingers crossed going on T-bird tonight for the 1.5 day and hopefully get something and get my first one. That's New Luan. Got bluefin limits yesterday. Right, the T-bird probably just got some bait and come back to pick us up. On board the T-bird, it's a bait tank. That's a boat. The galley's up here.
At first we were told that we'll be fishing out of the tenor bank called Cortez Bank out of San Clemente.
Right out west for about 100 miles. A 10-hour ride. And then fishing on the bank. Hopefully for some bluefin, yellowtail. There's some weather coming in, but it's better to go out west than going south. It's a captain up there. Captain up there. Okay, it's 6 o'clock. Rolling around, whatever. Like, nothing's happening. I don't know what's going on.
However, the sea was too rough over the night and we didn't make it, so we're trotting around Catalina Island.
There's a deckhand up there looking for signs. Freelance out in the distance doing their 4-day trip.
The captain found some fish at 40 fathoms, so he started dropping sinker rig, and very soon we saw fish boiling on the surface, so the captain asked us to wind in.
Oh, way over there.
Back there now.
Woo!
Oh, don't go.
Stay, please. Stay home.
The captain chased the boilers at full speed, however when we get there, the tuna already dived down deep, so it's a constant chasing game.
There. Oh, keep it moving. It's the...
Like when we go over that, look, you'll see it. Sometimes it'll just be scales everywhere. The intro, we just got shredded up.
I was debating on whether I use a popper, a sinker rig, or some flat-foot jigs. Since the tuna is boiling on the surface, I decided to go with the popper at first. If they start diving, then switch out to a sinker rig or a flat-foot jig.
One more time. Foaming right there. Once we get there, they just disappear.
The boat sped up to chase another boiler again.
Let's go! Probably step back over here.
I can play around. Come this way, baby. Come this way. Come this way.
Whoa, come on. Stay with us.
Well, I hope that the tuna will stay on the surface this time.
Oh, yeah, get in there.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's in now.
That's it.
Oh, no, it's burning.
And they did.
Right, go down. Go down. Oh, go down, please. Thank you. Okay.
Come on, move. Go. Go.
The popper was casted right in the middle of the boiler.
Behind you guys.
Okay.
Go out.
Did I get?
At this point, the line started going off already, but the drag wasn't set tight enough, so I wasn't sure if it was a tuna bite.
I think I got a biter.
You got a biter?
I might. Feels like it. I hope. Biter! I think so, yeah. On the popper.
Got one on the popper?
Yeah.
We got one. Move. How many more? Sometimes they follow. No drag.
Yep.
Yeah, that's harder.
Yep, for sure. Do you want me to cross the front or? No, I think it's taking drag. Oh. Okay, got it.
Don't do anything.
Okay.
Do you have any drag on this reel?
You're gonna get pulled. You gotta have some sort of drag, dude.
Okay.
I don't know, but that's
60?
Fish is big.
Woo! My gosh. All right. All right. It's so. Oh.
no, it's not. This got a big fish on it. You got the wrong game.
Oh, sorry.
You ever heard about bringing a knife to a gunfight?
Well, my other gear is not biting, right? So I got a popper here.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
What is it not? It's not even reeling. Oh, okay. Now I finally. Okay. All right. Okay. What the heck is going on here? Oh. All right. Woo.
And wind down.
All right.
You might only get a couple.
All right.
Even little short ones like that.
All right.
Come on, this side.
No, you need help. I'll flip out on you.
Sure. I will let you know. Thank you. I will try.
Huh?
I'll try first. Let me try myself first. All right.
Yeah, we see some occasional marks coming underneath the boat, now a little deeper, around 120 feet or so. We've got one hook here, surface plug. Keep fishing though, there's obviously fish around. There's more than just this one spool now. This area is loaded up with fish. It's not very cooperative, but there's a lot of fish around. Keep working at it here while we're drifting along and find this fish. You never know what's to happen. We could get into a little bunker or there's more fish around. Keep working at it. Fly line bait, finger rig bait. What I'd recommend.
You got a wimbo. Keep it up, buddy.
Yeah.
Keep working here. Change your bait.
Thank you.
So I was using the Casking bait feeder 6000 with about 300 yards of 50-pound Spectra, and on top of it I have about 6 feet of 60-pound Seaguar Blue Label.
Another 300 feet or something?
It's a little one.
Is it?
I think it's a smaller fish, dude. Nice. Huh? Straight up in there? No, I just couldn't tell the weight, like the weight of his fish. Oh, he just woke up.
Yeah. Woo.
This is where
He pulls up and comes up though. Yeah, hopefully it's one of them.
Hold on, you gotta wind it on the way down though. You can't just lift up and then drop the rod. If he runs, you can just, there you go. Now it's hold. This is where it's gonna be hard to turn your handle. You gotta hold, and when the rod gives, the only time you'll be able to turn your handle.
Okay.
Come this way, look.
Okay.
And follow him.
Oh, sorry.
Turn the handle. This is the opportunity there. Coming down.
I'm from Arizona and don't fish offshore very often, so a lot of things must be said wrong at this moment. But in the moment there are so many things going on in my mind, I couldn't track down everything, so just trying to do my best to keep the fish staying on the line.
Okay.
Acting like a sea lion got him. Serious. I saw a sea lion earlier. Acting like a sea lion got him.
At this time, aside from the drag peeling, I already hear a little bit of a cracking sound.
Still taking lines, so I wait, huh?
That's all you can do, dude.
All right. Come on, you must be tired now.
I don't get tired.
Still running. Whew.
It's active, like it's just like maybe never knew it was safe. That's what happened. I didn't see it. It's a bigger fish than never knew it was just about another 100 yards of line.
Now you can hear a very clear crack sound.
Whew. Woke up.
Slice him with that knife. Come here, right a little. You're right in front.
Yeah. All right. Stopped, huh? Yeah.
So Dick and Chris stayed with me all this time, trying to give me instructions so that I can keep the fish on the line.
The reel's about to come off your rod, dude.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's already cracked, I think. Whew. Whew. It's bloody heavy. Sound is not nice. Want me to put a drag a little bit more, or?
No, keep doing what you're doing.
Okay. Yeah, it's. Yeah.
Gotta get some of that back.
Trying. That's just.
Wind on the way down.
At this point, the reel finally gave up.
Uh-oh. Shit. I don't know if. All right.
Tyler, we gotta splice. Tell Ty, get Tyler. Get your dad real quick.
Watch out, Chris, Tyler, and Kevin handle this situation real quick and resolve the issue so I can continue on fishing.
I'm gonna splice it.
At this point, I only have about 100 yards of braid left on the spool, so if the fish decide to run very far, then I'll get spooled.
I got a hand liner for a little. Oh shit!
Well, that's why the popper works, but.
Whoa. Got a hand line, this motherfucker?
Kevin, just got a fucking off.
Need to get enough line.
Straight Spectra, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is the first.
Can't line them.
A lot of mono in there.
That means it's a 100-pounder.
I hope. I hope.
Is it really strong?
Yeah.
Hold this first, just like this. Like, don't put your hand there.
Switch the line out.
I'm gonna get enough so we can tie a splice up.
You got your camera on?
Yeah. Crazy, right?
It's all part of the story, huh?
Yep. Part of it.
So the braid was already taken off from the spool, and Captain Tyler tried to connect it to one of the rods on the boat. If the fish decides to run at this time, then it's gonna be gone forever.
Watch out.
Don't get out of there. Don't get the food stuck in there. Wait a second. Out of the rod. Oh, fuck. Yeah.
Oh, do it again? Okay.
There you go. He's gonna run. He's running. He's running.
Let it run for the.
Nope.
Okay, well, we got to get it in front of the rod then. You hold it right there is doing a zero fucking good. No, Kevin, this is not going to work. Cut the fucking thing off. You got to redo it. Okay, now stop.
Okay. Sorry.
Clock is ticking, and the fish can wake up at any moment.
got?
60 in the front. This is 50. The braid is 50.
So finally, Tyler put the splice together and started putting the line back into the spool, and we're back in the game.
Oh, sorry.
I can't thank the crew enough for their fast reaction to this situation and got it resolved so quickly.
I gotta get some line on here for you, okay?
Thank you.
And then I'll give it back.
Cool. Well, at least it didn't run away. Whew.
Let's go down in this corner over here.
Okay. All right.
Come down, guys. Everybody just step right. All you gotta do is step right. Okay, this thing's coming in right now. Just keep turning the handle. See, I'm turning the handle.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
It's coming right in.
Okay.
Just keep doing that. Wimbo, you got it, Wimbo. Get it, Wimbo. That's why I had it in low, so you can keep turning the
Yeah,
handle,
but
keep gaining line.
But it was not gaining. It was kind of starting to run, so I put it back into. So
Nope.
just stay down low. Just let it
Turn
run.
the handle. Keep turning the
Okay.
handle.
Okay. All right. Okay.
So I watched Dan Hernandez's show, and he was saying that so before the fish got in the straight up and down position of pinwheeling, stay in the high gear so that I can catch up with the fish running. But the captain instructed me to stay on the low gear.
Gotta put some pressure on them, man.
All right. Okay.
Gotta keep a bend in the rod there.
All right.
There you go, boy. Let's slice it, go.
When it's running, I shouldn't be right.
Just keep pressure on them. That's all you can do, dude.
Okay. All right.
It's a big fish, man.
Okay.
Gotta wait right.
Okay.
They don't just come in. You gotta make them come in.
Okay. Yep. Thank you. Just under me. No worries.
Top everybody.
Okay. On top of everybody. On top of it. On top
There
of
you
you.
are, guys.
Yeah. Stay. On top of you. That's good. Oh, it's
Keep going. You're gonna going around the boat.
okay.
More than once.
All right. Ah, sorry.
But you see how you're just holding on? Even when you're standing here like this, you gotta put pressure to the point where you can at least get a crank, you know?
Okay.
There. See that?
Okay.
Even if it's a little bit, you know?
Okay.
You gotta get a little at a time.
Oops, sorry.
See how little I'm dropping my tip?
Yeah.
See that?
Just one crank.
That's all you need.
Okay.
And you just keep doing that.
Okay.
Until you,
One crank at a time.
Okay.
So with this proper gear, I still went on fighting for about 40 minutes or so. You can see Catalina Island in the distance.
perfect. If you feel like you get more than one, get more.
Okay.
Fish are like 75 to 100.
Yeah, they're all big fish.
Here. It's not cooperating, maybe we can get lucky and get on them in the dark. Flat fall action.
back down the rail.
Okay. Yep, it's on.
Right there, good.
I just don't know if I got
Guys,
enough
your
battery.
lines, come on up, gang. If you have angles for your lines, tighten them up. Make sure you feel your bait swimmer. Always give it a couple cranks.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Over everyone. Okay. It's running to me.
Fast, coming at you.
Hope springs eternity.
100 pounder, man.
Ah. Ooh.
I haven't even got to the hard part yet. Just calm down.
All right.
Breathe through your nose.
Okay.
Seriously, when it gets to the hard part, I'll let you know when it's
Okay.
the hard part.
Okay.
Fast.
Hey.
Coming right at you. One.
Yeah.
It's coming right at you. Keep cranking. Come on, man. Swing it right at you. You don't even have a bend in the rod. Put a bend in that thing. Line. Everybody needs to slide up. Slide up, guys. Too much angle. Too much angle to your lines, guys.
Corner.
Crank on that thing. Turn the handle so you can't
All right.
got it, man. You're working for it. Get him? Just get him? Back by the tail. That's fair. There you go, ball. You got it. Keep turning the reel, though. Turning the reel. And up and down.
Okay.
Stop resting.
Okay.
Keep resting.
All right.
You don't have to
Woo!
you're pumping too high.
Okay.
Keep all your stuff right about there to there.
Okay.
You know?
Ooh.
Good job, guys. Good job. That's high as you need to pull, right?
It's tight. I know, but it's just Ooh.
Got it. Change this line. Listen
Okay.
to me.
Okay.
Focus on your rod tip.
Okay.
Pull up to right here.
Uh-huh.
When it gives, wind down as fast as you can. That's the
Okay.
only time you should be turning the handle. Otherwise, you're exerting a bunch of energy that you don't
Okay.
need to exert. You're not gaining anything. Come on, we're going to do another trip around the boat. Put pressure on it. You can wind as you walk here, too. You know, like little short strokes. You have to.
Ooh.
Here, let me take it for a second.
All right. Thank you.
Oh, I got line on him. Oh, boy. Got line on him.
Uh-oh.
Get your lines, guys. We got lines.
Who's the
Don't
line?
take the rod.
Take the rod.
Yeah, yeah, take.
Take the rod, hold the rod.
Yeah.
Ooh, there, guys. Give him some room to work, guys. Yeah, take the grab. Gotcha.
Follow, right? Alright, you follow. Sorry, guys.
You got cut, gang. You don't know that you got cut. On the ball game. Ball coming.
Keep going, keep going, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Rail's yours.
Alright.
You got it.
Thank you.
You got it. Set it on your head.
That's okay. Whew.
So you under me?
Yeah.
Careful, careful, careful. Go.
Sorry. It's nothing bad, baby.
Hold on, Ryan. Hold on, Ryan.
Back up for me.
Yeah. So just like that? Okay.
Use the rail. That's
All right, I have to use the rail now.
what you're supposed to do.
All right.
Got this.
There you go.
Bottom up there. We'll get going.
Pump it up. Go back in that corner over here.
All right.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Woo!
Take that corner. I want you right now. Right there. Yep.
Okay.
There you go. Man, 1-1.
Woo!
A lot of work. Salt. You're winning.
Good.
I'm not sure if this line goes better.
Okay.
Keep going, keep going.
Yeah. There you go. Just like you're doing on camera rail, yeah? Might have to go up. Yeah, he is. Back in this corner. Get back in this corner.
Cool. Sticking line.
All right, dude.
All right.
They're supposed to. He's going through.
No, I mean when they take line, should I stop or?
You can't do anything.
All you can do is put as maximum bend in the rod as you possibly can.
Okay.
That's all you can do.
Okay.
See how he's taking a line?
Woo.
Make it harder so you can
But I said you can't just turn the handle. You got to get back to pumping,
All right.
and then you got to crank on the way up.
Okay.
You're turning the handle
Down, down, hold, hold, hold. Now you
Now go.
watch your tip. All you're watching is your rod tip.
Yeah.
Okay. So now.
When
Okay.
that tip starts to
You
come
gotta
up,
put
you
pressure
start
on
winding.
Okay.
Pressure, pressure, pressure. Now.
Now wind.
Okay. I see.
When the load starts to alleviate.
There you go.
Now.
I see. That's easier.
Yeah. And pressure. Right now.
Yeah, even if it's quarter crank.
Yeah.
Yeah, even if that's right. Even if you get a half a turn, you see in low gear.
Could be.
Yeah, I am.
And the boat even helps you out there and gave you a little extra.
There you go.
And now. And pressure. And it's okay. It's gonna take some.
Oh.
Back over here. Back over here.
Okay, okay. Okay. Oh.
Now watch what he's doing right now. Watch how he's lifting and getting pressure in there. Every time that fish starts to give a little bit, he takes it up in the line. Even if it's just a quarter to crank, every little bit that keeps the fish coming this way and under duress.
Yeah, first I'm getting hooked on this. I need to think a lot of things at the same time.
Tell me when you're ready to jump back in.
Let's go.
Ready?
Yeah, okay, I can. So this is the hardest part, or?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
This is the end, dude.
Okay.
Got him. Unless he goes back out to the surface like he's trying to do.
Yeah. Then might not be nowhere there, you know.
Is good time or still taking line or?
Pressure on.
Yeah, keep. So should I whine or?
Yeah. When you can feel it, you can. That tip gives.
Right now. Oh. Ah.
Got a man up now, boy.
All right. All right. Yeah. Not easy. Not easy. Want me to move a little bit?
Out there now, you can stand up from there. Out there like that.
Okay.
Easier fight for you to stand up.
Okay.
When you start to swim again. Let that thing back in the circle.
At this point, my chipmunk camera ran out of battery.
Okay, we film? Yeah. I'll probably take back last moment. Faking it. Guys, I'm ready to come in if you want me to. Oh, okay, all right. So then, yeah. Take.
Chris helped me throw the fish to about 30 feet to the bow, so I thought the fight is ending, and I gave my cell phone to another angler on board so that he could film the final moments. But I was wrong. The fish kept fighting on.
Better full, better full, better full.
Now it's going back out.
Watch out, Todd, he's coming down. Coming down, guys, by the rail.
Find him.
Come back. Square away with your fish, man. Go. Then.
You got this.
I think I did you maybe.
Yeah, bluefin is still ahi.
Yeah, just man.
Bluefin is still ahi.
Right.
So they call it pokey?
Poke is.
Poke's like saying sushi.
Tell me when you see him. Come on, Papa. Get up here.
Pump him.
Come on, man. You gotta get him up.
Might come down in a second. Watch out.
This is his phone.
Hope so, bro.
feel?
Good. Because they're taking most of the work.
Slide on down just a little bit here, I think. Yeah.
Oh. Just let it run, huh? Oh,
Taking a lot of line.
Not bad news, it's just a piece of seafood.
You know what that is.
It's a 250 pounder.
Come on down here. This is all the way over here.
what was the stop shot? 50? Oh, okay.
So I kept on fighting for another 10-15 minutes before landing the fish. Unfortunately, the video recording stopped here. I don't have the final moments of gaffing the fish back on board. But I can't miss the victory bite.
I have a bigger one on.
You gotta eat it all. What is that? That wasn't a bite. No. No. You just disrespected Mother Nature.
Eat the fish.
You just disrespected Mother Nature.
You gotta do a tough bite.
How's that hard to taste?
It's okay, sashimi. But just too big, right? So that's all.
Let me see the heart. Oh, come on. What is that? That's not a bite.
That's too little.
Come on.
Come on, bite.
You gotta bite it like Mother Nature gave you that fish. Come on now.
Got it, you got it.
You got it. You're good. Congratulations, brother.
Facebook, baby.
That's it.
What a man. What a man.
That's bait. What you doing?
Now we're just gonna go over here and creep up on the.
Hey, come on a little bit.
Hey, look at that.
70 pounder.
Wow.
Okay, we just came back on the T-bird. One fish. Tough luck for everybody. That was lucky. That's good. The tuna is really large. After we landed, I went to my friend's place in San Diego and then started breaking down the fish into quarters so we can have some fresh sushi and pack the rest up to head home.
Should I get you a pair too?
Yeah, sure.
Turned out their knives were pretty dull, so I had a hard time penetrating the screen at the very beginning. Eventually I decided to go to Walmart and buy a hunting knife.
Just go like this way. And then I think just go about this much is
把大可的弄掉是不是？
Yeah, yeah. So just like let me show you just as an example.
大可
So
的。
you can come this way. See, there's a C, right? So just like that.
你是不是？
Okay.
你是
Right?
不
And
是？
then once you get a start, then you can start peeling off like that.
啊，这里可以的。对。
招呼着童工给我们做后面的修理工作。That's some clean scoop, Hannah. And thanks for Claire teaching. Claire 这边切的也非常漂亮，把那个 bloody part just removed. Perfect.
This is okay.
Oh, okay.
Instead of ahi, I'm using tuna because we got a big tuna.
Mm-hmm.
I'm putting some carrots, some avocado, some ginger,
Mm.
and yeah.
Okay. No sesame oil?
Oh, there's sesame oil with a little bit of wasabi and soy sauce. And
Okay.
A rice.
Okay. Yeah, I learned it.
And then I'm gonna use sesame sauce in that. I mean sesame
Seeds.
in
Okay.
that, yeah.
Cool.
They aren't sushi balls.
Oh, okay, so what are they?
So I just put like the rice on the bottom, and
Uh-huh.
then I put like this just sashimi in the middle.
Okay.
And then I put another spoon of rice on top, and then I closed it, and then I made it into a circle shape.
Okay.
And then after that, I took this off, and then I put the seaweed on top.
I see. I see.
The two kids put together this great sushi meal. All I can say is amazing. Right? I hope to head out again soon and catch another one. And see you on the water.